India, the land of diversity and unity, has a national flag that represents its rich heritage and values. The Indian flag, also known as the tricolor, consists of 3 horizontal stripes in saffron, white, and green. The saffron color represents courage and sacrifice, while the white stripe symbolizes peace and truth. The green stripe is a symbol of fertility, growth, and auspiciousness. In the center of the flag, there is a navy blue wheel called the Ashoka Chakra that represents progress and movement. The wheel has 24 spokes, which represent 24 hours of the day, symbolizing that the nation should always be in motion. The Indian flag was first hoisted on August 15, 1947, when India gained independence from British colonial rule. The flag is hoisted at government buildings, educational institutions, and public places across the nation on national holidays and important occasions. Displaying and respecting the national flag is a way for every Indian to show their love and respect for their country. The Indian flag is a powerful symbol of India's strength, diversity, and unity, reminding every citizen of their common identity and shared values.